I'm Luke Milkey, helping you master the art of filmmaking. Today on Mini Tip Monday, we're talking about... I know I already had a video on filters, and you can check that out in the links below. But this one is specifically on polarizing filters. What is it? It is a filter specifically designed to eliminate polarized light. That's the glare light that bounces off most organic items, as well as glass and water. These filters allow you to be able to see through glass and water better, as well as give organic items a richer, deeper, less glare look. Kind of like foundation for plants, I think. It also helps deepen the blues in the sky. For maximum effectiveness, have your camera about 90 degrees off axis from your light source. Basically, you want to have a polarized filter in your bag when you're shooting outdoors. It will drastically change the way you shoot outside. I'm Luke Milkey, helping you master the art of filmmaking. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Just remember, necessity is the mother of comprehension. Wait, no, sorry, so that's not right. Necessity is the mother of comprehension? Apprehension? No. Hypertension?
Invention.
Yeah, that's right. Just remember, mama is the necessity of invention. Got it! Woohoo! Yay! I only do it this way. I can't go like this. I can't go the other way.
Maybe you can switch in between them.
This thing on the road.